In this video, we'll demonstrate how to record your computer screen using OBS Studio. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about screen recording with OBS Studio, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you through the process of recording your computer screen using OBS Studio, a versatile and free open-source software compatible with Linux, Mac, and Windows. Stick around to discover why OBS is one of the best applications for screen recording. Let's start by downloading OBS Studio. Head over to obsproject.com and choose the version appropriate for your operating system. For Windows users like me, simply click on the Windows option. Once downloaded, open the installer, follow the setup steps, and ensure you include all plugins during installation for added functionality, such as webcam and microphone support. After installation, OBS Studio will automatically launch. Scenes in OBS are compositions of sources, which can be webcams, microphones, or display captures. I'll guide you through setting up a scene to record your screen and include your webcam. First, let's add a display capture source. Click the plus sign in the Sources tab, choose Display Capture, and select the monitor you want to record. Now let's add your webcam. Click the plus sign again. Choose Video Capture Device and select your webcam. Adjust the size and position of your webcam source as desired. Now, check your audio sources. OBS will automatically detect your system's audio. Ensure the levels are optimal, preventing peaking by adjusting the volume. To set up OBS to record in a format compatible with most video editing software, we'll initially choose MKV. Go to Settings and Output. Select the recording path and set the format to MKV. This ensures that even if OBS crashes during recording, your video file is recoverable. Once you've recorded your screen in MKV format, converting it to MP4 is simple. Go to File and Remux Recordings. Locate your file and choose Remux. This quickly converts your MKV file to MP4, and there you have it. You've successfully recorded your computer screen using OBS Studio. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and tech insights, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and happy recording!